Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering down and removing all power, safety first. Once done, focus on the stuck button, inspect the seam and see if debris is visible. You'll use a plastic pry tool and a cotton swab to avoid scratching. Make sure to remove batteries or the USB cable so the controller can't send inputs. Keep the screws and tiny parts organized in a small dish as you work, and position good light so you can see any lodged grime. You now open the controller carefully, remove all visible screws and gently pry the shell with a plastic tool to avoid clips snapping. Once open, locate the stuck button assembly and lift the rubber membrane just enough to inspect the plastic button and spring. Use a 70% plus isopropyl swab to clean around the contact area and remove sticky residue. This dissolves oils and dust quickly. Make sure not to soak the PCB, dab lightly, and reposition. You reassemble by reseating the rubber membrane and spring so the button returns to its resting position, then close the shell and tighten screws evenly. Once assembled, reconnect power and test the button in a menu or game to confirm responsiveness. If it still sticks, repeat the cleaning process, inspect for cracked plastic or compressed springs, and consider replacing the button module. One troubleshooting tip: if cleaning fails, try compressed air to blow out deep debris before replacing any parts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.